Hello Curlies, welcome back to my channel and another video. So a few months ago during a live I did, some of you asked me to do a kind of skincare routine. So for today's video, I will show you a few simple and inexpensive products I use to take off my makeup. Starting off with Pond's. I have been using Pond's Remove Makeup for a while now. It's really good and it smells amazing. It smells clean and refreshing. I bought it at Walmart, but for sure you can find it anywhere. The tissues I'm using to take off my makeup is from Neutragena. So the second step is using this soap. It's from Nivea and it's named Gel Limpiadora Facial. This is a facial cleaning soap. I love it because it really deep clean my face, leave my face really soft and smooth. I got this at Walmart. So last step is the Nivea cream. This is a very famous cream. Growing up, I have always seen my dad use this cream. For sure, all of us grew up seeing it in our home. It's a very thick cream and it's really moisturizing. And you can find this cream literally everywhere. So yeah guys, this is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and share. And of course, give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to drink your water and stay moisturized, hydrated. Thank you, bye.